In this video, we listed the 5 best tablets for artists that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON PD1161 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON PD1161 is a digital drawing display designed for artists and professionals, featuring 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support for precise and natural drawing experiences. It utilizes a battery-free pen with 2 programmable buttons and includes 8 customizable shortcut keys for enhanced workflow efficiency. Lightweight and portable at 866 g, 1.9 pounds, it's suitable for various environments including workplaces, schools, and outdoor settings. This 11.6-inch tablet connects via USB HDMI to Windows, Mac OS, or Chromebook devices, making it versatile for digital art, drawing, graphic design, animation, and online teaching or meetings. The display boasts a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 and is compatible with popular software like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Clip Studio Paint, offering a comprehensive toolset for creative professionals and beginners alike. Number 2. HUION KAMVAS Pro. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 drawing tablet offers a variety of sizes including 11.6-inch, 13.3-inch, and 15.6-inch with options like Full HD, 2.5K QHD, and 4K UHD resolutions. It features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and is compatible with Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS 10.12 Plus, and Windows 7 Plus. Special features include anti-glare glass, 60 degrees tilt support, programmable press keys, and full lamination. The 15.6-inch model boasts a full laminated screen for clarity, 120% sRGB color gamut for vibrant visuals, and 6 express keys plus a touch bar for optimized workflow. It includes an adjustable stand, battery-free pen with tilt recognition, and connects via a 3-in-1 USB-C cable, ensuring compatibility with various creative software. Note that it requires connection to a computer to function. Number 3. Wacom Cintiq 16. The Wacom Cintiq 16 is a creative pen display designed for animation and digital art enthusiasts, offering optimized display technology and advanced pen performance. It supports both Windows and Mac operating systems and utilizes HDMI connectivity. Key features include the Pro Pen 2 with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, ensuring precise and natural drawing experiences. The display features anti-glare glass for enhanced clarity, vibrant colors with HD resolution, and uniform brightness. With fingertip control and minimal parallax, the Cintiq 16 provides a natural drawing feel, making it suitable for creative professionals, hobbyists, and students alike. The package includes essential accessories like replacement nibs, connectivity cables, and a quick start guide, catering to various creative needs both in studio settings and at home. Number 4. XPPen Artist12 Pro. The XPPen Artist12 Pro is a versatile drawing tablet designed for creative professionals and enthusiasts alike. It features an 11.6-inch fully laminated screen that minimizes parallax, providing a natural drawing experience akin to paper. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support up to 60 degrees, it allows for precise shading and smooth transitions in artwork. The tablet includes a red dial interface and 8 customizable shortcut keys to enhance workflow efficiency, making it easier to express creative ideas. Compatible with Windows and Mac OS, it offers seamless connectivity via a 3-in-1 cable, eliminating the need for adapters. The package also includes an adjustable stand to reduce eye strain and a multifunction pen holder for convenience and pen safety. Ideal for beginners and experienced artists alike, the Artist12 Pro is designed to facilitate digital creativity with comfort and precision. Number 5. XENCELABS Drawing Tablet. The XENCELABS Pen Tablet is a professional-grade graphic tablet co-designed with industry leaders to enhance creative workflows. Featuring a generous active area of 10.3 inches by 5.75 inches in a 16:9 aspect ratio, it is optimized for standard displays, prioritizing comfort and functionality. The tablet integrates quick keys and a physical dial, offering 40 programmable functions per application alongside an OLED display for intuitive key assignment. With 2 battery-free pens, each customizable, the tablet supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and minimal latency. Its ergonomic design includes a curved slope for natural drawing, while easy installation and user-friendly interface settings enhance customization and usability.